Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. Well, there is always a pressure. Anytime a new flagship Android smartphone is released, there's inevitably a comparison drawn between it and the most current iPhone. And while it's fun to compare specs, it doesn't really matter. It's not going to be competing with the iPhone. Take Samsung's new Galaxy S22. It's quite the powerhouse, and there's no doubt that it beats the iPhone in several ways, at least on paper. For example, the Galaxy S22 has more RAM than the iPhone 13, has a bigger battery, and features faster battery charging, but that doesn't matter, it's not an iPhone. Flagship Android smartphones aren't competing against the iPhone, they're competing against other Android handsets. First, it doesn't take long for iPhone users to become deeply embedded into the Apple ecosystem. Once a user starts making use of iMessage, buying apps and content, and replacing their dumb bulbs and thermostats with smart bulbs and thermostats, people are hooked. While it's impossible to find definitive data on migration between iPhone and Android, and vice versa, all pointers suggest that when users switch, the majority are switching from Android to iPhone. This is why iOS is slowly but surely gaining on Android. It's a trickle, but it's happening. It's not just a lock-in to iOS that prevents users from migrating, although it's a significant issue, as anyone who has tried switching knows. There are other factors at play. Apple has a predictable update cycle. Every year, regular as clockwork, a shiny new iPhone makes an appearance. It looks and feels a lot like the previous iPhone, and the one before that, but it has enough new features to fascinate the press and customers, and sure, a company like Samsung has regular hardware updates. But if you ask the average user when they happen, most wouldn't have a clue. Compare that to the iPhone. I'm amazed how attuned to Apple news even average iPhone users are, to the point that people know to expect a new iPhone. Years of being predictable and releasing yearly updates is paying off for Apple. The iPhone also enjoys a long lifespan and appears to hold its value better than high-end Android devices. Sure, everything depreciates, but it amazes me how much people will pay for a used iPhone. Apple is also slow to take chances. No folding phones, no throwing tablets at the wall and seeing what sticks, no constantly fiddling with branding. It's just iPhone. If you're in the market for a new iPhone, the only real question you need to consider is this: how much do you want to spend? Apple has nothing to fear from Samsung and the Galaxy S22, instead, it's other high-end Android smartphone makers that need to worry. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.